Why do 80% of buyers overlook key sock features for different age groups? Don't let your next bulk order miss the mark. Here's what you need to know before you shop. Let's start with the little ones. For kids aged 3 to 12, think soft cotton blends, fun designs, and most importantly, safety. Anti-slip soles and gentle elastic cuffs make all the difference for tiny feet. Switching gears to teens and youth, comfort meets style. Stretchable, moisture-wicking fabrics are a win for school and sports. And don't forget those trending colors and custom logos that make your offering stand out. Now, adults. Quality is king here. For workwear, classic crew socks with reinforced toes and heels are a must. For everyday wear, seamless stitching and antibacterial fabrics keep customers comfortable all day long. And for seniors, comfort and health come first. Look for non-binding cuffs, extra soft materials, and diabetic-friendly options that support circulation and warmth. Why trust us for your bulk orders? We offer factory direct pricing, OEKO-TEX certified materials, flexible minimums, and private labeling. Plus, with over 500 styles in stock, you'll always have options. Ready to step up your sock sourcing? Let's talk about how we can keep every foot happy, whatever the age.